Hi everyone. I made hard-boiled eggs a couple days ago, Friday actually, and cooked them. Obviously, boiled them for the correct amount of time, then plunged them into an ice bath and got them cooled off. Then I kept them in the refrigerator until this morning because I know my family. When I make deviled eggs, they get eaten. So I peeled them this morning. That's why I'm making the video. Anyway, so I want you to see these eggs. Yeah, how they came out. See them? They're a mess. I only got, let's see, I only got how many good ones? That's not a good one. That isn't a good one. That's not a good one. This is the worst one out of the bunch. Look at that. I got 1, 2, 3 mostly good eggs, and all the rest of them came out like this. Now, I even used warm water to change the temperature on them, and it still didn't work. So you can tell the difference in size. Hang on. You can tell the difference in size. Look at that. Between how much of the white we lost versus how much I was actually able to keep. So I'm going to highly suggest to all of you that you check your expiration dates on your eggs. Now, I had some scrambled eggs this morning from the same batch of eggs I bought to make these. I burped quite a bit after I ate breakfast. So I'm going to venture to say that these are a little old. They're not bad. They're not bad eggs. Please don't misunderstand me. But they're old eggs. They don't smell. They are done. They are cooked. Just a moment. I'll show you one of the good ones. They slice up. They're cooked. They're fine. They're just not good at peeling. Old eggs don't peel very well, obviously. So, please take this into consideration when you're buying eggs. As many problems as our country has had with prices, with them steadily going up, and then someone claiming, like President Trump, actually stating that they've gone down in price. No, they haven't. The eggs at the Biden administration price were $29.96 for 5 dozen at Walmart. Now, the eggs, since Trump has taken office, are $24.38. They're only $5 cheaper. They are not the same, and they are not going down in price as much as he claims. So, watch your eggs, people. Enjoy your day. Bye, everyone.